I just wanted to give you guys a couple ideas of what you could do to make your own Easter basket on a budget. I spent about $9 at the Dollar Tree. This is just an alternative for people who have multiple children and you don't have 20, 30, 40, even 50 or more. Things are super expensive these days. So if you don't want to spend all of your money on Easter baskets, here's another way you can do it, and it's of course by making it yourself. So actually I'm going to show you everything that I have. I have a basket. Well, everything here was $1. Was from the Dollar Tree. So I have a basket, have some Peeps, have some little grass stuff here, got a little bunny, got something on it, got some little rabbit ears, a puzzle, some Play-Doh, a little magnetic drawing board. I almost wanted to say Etch-a-Sketch, but I forget what we used to call these when I was growing up. And I actually have some bubbles. They have a 4-pack there that's $1. We use those for my niece's party, so these were left over. But yeah, so that's honestly all I'm putting in. I didn't put a bunch of candy because I don't like candy for kids. I don't like rotten teeth. So yeah, she gets Peeps because she loves Peeps, but that's all the candy she's getting. Plus all stuff that I know that she would like and actually use. So I am going to be stuffing the bottom with, I'm sure everybody has some of these under their cabinet somewhere. So I'm going to stuff the bottom, and then I'm going to put the grass over it. I'm literally going to take all 5 minutes. All of it stays in because it will be everywhere. Okay, so that's annoying. Whatever. And of course you can arrange your items as you like. I'm going to arrange these here. You can take your tabs off if you like. I want him to be, I wanted him to kind of be like that. I'm not sure that that's going to stay, but we'll see. He's back. I'm going to open this because it is too wide to actually sit down in the bucket. So once I take it out of the packaging, it should be fine. It's still a little bit wide. Over here, and you can kind of adjust your base as you wish. And literally, there you go. Now I am going to make it look a little bit better. So this was just for the sake of a video, but for a couple bucks, I think it's super cute. You can hear my sister yelling. That's terrible. But here we are. Thanks for watching. Oh, wait. By the way, Dollar Tree also has this clear gift wrap. Oh no, this is the white one. Never mind. They have some clear gift wrap like this that you can use as a cellophane wrap to cover this. But you can leave it like this and gift it like this, or you could actually cover it. It's up to you. I thought I grabbed the clear one. I guess I did not. But yeah, super cute, on a budget. There you have it. See you guys next time.
Subscribe, hit that button.